Hello there guys, it's Matt here again, and today I'm giving you a preview of the New York Toy Fair 2013 DC Collectibles. There's some pictures I actually just found out myself. So here we have the new DC Collectibles Batman Arkham City Series 4 figures in the packaging, and they absolutely do look amazing. So here we have Talia al Ghul and Deadshot, two very awesome figures, and both look very cool, and Nightwing and Batman both look very awesome, and I'm really excited to get these figures. Actually, when I first saw them, I was really excited to get them. So here we have the new announcement from DC Collectibles. It is Solomon Grundy, another Arkham Deluxe from DC Collectibles, and I actually knew about this guy quite a while ago, but this is actually the first official picture for Solomon Grundy, and this figure does look absolutely amazing. The detail on this guy looks really cool, and as soon as I saw this picture, I was really wanting it straight away. I really want it now. I was really excited to get this guy because the detail on this guy looks amazing, and he looks about the same size as Titan Joker, maybe a little bit bigger, and he does also have a removable chest, and his heart comes out as well, which basically what happens in the game. So that is really cool. Probably little accessories there, and the paint job and the detail looks absolutely amazing. So these pictures do look really cool. So I just thought I'd show you guys these pictures from Toy Fair 2013, and yeah. So there is no release date for Solomon Grundy, but I'm sure there will be soon. So there is a link down below in the description if you want to go check out the website and look at some more DC collectible pictures. So yeah, so I just thought I'd show you these pictures, as these figures do look very awesome. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more reviews coming up soon. And yeah, thanks for watching.